Hey everyone, this is Sabrina. Welcome back to my channel. I'm thrilled you're here. I wanted to give you 2 quick prep pages today, and they're so quick. So this one, I took a 4x6 cardstock cutout that I knew I probably wasn't going to use and decided to use it as a stencil. And so I am just going to add some texture paste to it and then some stamping in white ink, and that's it. And then I'll be done. I'm using this huge scraper from scrapbook.com because I couldn't find my small credit card. So it's working for the most part, but I wish I had a smaller card. And I just took the star stencil and I just scraped the texture paste over it, make sure that there was a nice coverage of it and that most of the stars were covered. And then like you saw, I just moved it up a little bit. And then the stars are on there and it has some texture. And I'll probably use this for either showing off the tree, fully decorated, or maybe getting the tree. I don't know, something to do with the tree because I'm stamping the tree and finding magic. And then I think I'll use some of the attacher stickers to add on the left and the left side. So that's it, you guys. So simple. And I hope you guys enjoy that idea. And let me know if you have tried a simple prep page, because simple is sometimes the best, right? So this one, just texture paste and some stamps. This one was inspired by Jennie from the Ali Edwards creative team and her product play idea. She used this 10x8 paper and she kind of tilted it, and she showed how you could add some photos and then these long cardstock phrases. And she showed you how to tilt it, like I said, but I decided not to tilt it and just use it as is. That way it wasn't as complicated. And so what I'm going to use it for is documenting our movies. And I thought that'd be a really fun way to include a lot of movies. And since this was a 10x8 paper, I just went ahead and folded it. And my camera went off during when I was taking this, so that's why you didn't see all of the stamping. But I am just using this extra space right here to stamp cozy nights, blankets, family, popcorn, and then at the bottom I will stamp love. So a very simple way to document all the movies that are that we watch during this season and that are out there. But if you watch my October daily video about the great debate of what we watch, there is usually some, not controversy, but maybe like the word debate, there's some debate on what to watch with my kids and their age difference. Do you guys have that issue at all? Let me know. Leave a comment if you have any family debates about what to watch during the holiday season. But for the most part, we do all sit around on the couch and snuggle up in some blankets and have some treats or popcorn, and we eventually find something to watch. I took the 2 spots up by nights, the S, and I added a house. And then at the bottom, I'm going to add 2 more houses. And then I just kind of figured out what word will work down there, and I went with love. And that way I could, like I said, add the 2 houses, and that way I knew the word would fit and it wouldn't fall off. I am going to finish this up with one of the fabric word pieces. I just trimmed it to make it a little bit smaller. And then on the inside, I will add the photos. So you flip it open and you have a large space for photos. I put the first movie that we watched up in the second box. So the first box, I might just stamp some numbers and then add that in. And then I just add the photos kind of in a random order. And then the next step is just to add in these labels. For this first one, I put on the adhesive, but I should have put on like temporary adhesive because I don't know if I'm going to have to move these depending on what movies we watch and stuff. But like this one, the Home Sweet Alone, that one can stay because I know, like I said, I'm just going to stamp later on in just the numbers. But this is such a fun way, like I said, to document all the movies, and I'm excited to continue to add to this page throughout the month. And just got to figure out a spot to put it in my album. But I love how it came together. Just going to punch the holes and make sure that it is ready to go. And there you go. 2 quick ideas for your December daily, and I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing these 2 pages. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much and have a great day, guys. Bye.